Hey, what's up everybody? It is your girl Manny and welcome back to Inspire Today. Welcome back to another Foodie Friday. So I'm thinking of naming Fridays when I upload about food, Foodie Friday. Let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up, or if you have a better name, let me know. So today we are going to make not the asparagus, but some crab stuffed portobello mushrooms. It just smells so divine, so good, with some parsley, some onions, good seasoning. I actually ran out of Old Bay and didn't know that I didn't have it, so I actually made my own seasoning. I'll give you guys what that is in the video. But yeah, if you'd like to see how I made these stuffed mushrooms, just stay tuned. So we're gonna need some crab meat, some parsley, some peppers and onions, and then our lovely little spice mix that I will tell you guys later what I concocted together, some cream cheese and Parmesan cheese that I did not show, some mushrooms, mine are really the struggle mushrooms right now, and some lemon. So you're going to want to take a spoon and scoop out as much of the inside as possible. And the inside is completely edible, so you could save it for another dish. I definitely did. Waste not, want not. So pretty much once you take all of it out, this is what it's going to look like. So I'm just gonna take my crab, and I got it from the grocery store. They sell it in the seafood section. This is just crab claw, and they pretty much sell it next to the imitation crab meat. So for my seasoning, I have some smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, some oregano, some dried thyme, some black pepper, and some adobo that I just mixed all together and made it. Ooh, and some garlic powder. So I'm just gonna take all my other stuff and mix it in there. So you just will wanna mix it all together until it's well incorporated. And I don't measure anything. I literally just go and taste and see how I go. So I can't tell you exact measurements of everything that I use, but you'll kind of see, like, I felt it needed more cream cheese because it wasn't mixing as well, so I just put some more in there. So you just want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to squeeze in that lemon right in there. And I'm just seasoning my mushrooms with some black truffle salt, just to kind of give it a little bit of flavor, a little something, so it's not just there. I'm gonna add in my Parmesan cheese, mix that in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and stuff my mushrooms. I was being lazy and did not want to go to another store to get some better looking mushrooms. So as you'll see, my other two, I just literally just smoothed it on there. Yeah. Get some actual mushrooms that you could stuff. That'll be a lot better. And we're just gonna top everything with the Parmesan cheese. I know some recipes call for breadcrumbs and all of that. I rather just have pure crab and cheese in there. Call it a day. So when we're all done with that, we're going to bake it in the oven for 20 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly on the inside. I actually left mine for a little bit longer than that. Okay guys, the 20 minutes are now up. I kind of left it in there for a little bit longer, but this is the final product. The mushroom does shrink up and it did expel some liquids, but I just made some lemon, garlic, pepper, asparagus to go along with it. So if you like this video, give this a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. If there's something you'd like for me to try, let me know. I'll go ahead, try my best to try it. And bon appetit. And I'll see you guys in my next video.